Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment. Before starting, I request you all please watch the video till end for complete vacancy detail and like it, subscribe it and share it with other friend also who need it. So the first college where the faculty recruitment is going on in HMR Institute of Technology and Management, Hamidpur, Delhi. In this college, there are recruitment for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science, Information Technology, Electronics Communication, and Applied Sciences, Physics, Chemistry, Math, and English. Pay scale and qualification experience as per the standard set by UGC and AICTE. There are also vacancies for TPO. For that, postgraduate degree with relevant experience will be required. And next vacancy is in administrative officer. If you are a graduate with relevant experience, then you can apply for this administrative officer. If you have MBA in HR, then you will be preferred. There are some vacancies for technical assistant in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics Communication, Electrical Electronics, Mechanical, Applied Sciences. For that, if you have degree or diploma in relevant discipline, then you can apply. And some vacancies also for data entry operator. If any person is retired from some government service or from company above the age of 70 may also apply. So how you have to apply? You have to send your latest resume on below email ID jobs@hmritm.ac.in within 7 days. Within 7 days means today is 24th. तो आपको 2 मार्च से पहले आपको क्या करना है? अप्लाई कर देना है. The next vacancy is Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. In this college is in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Here the faculty recruitment is going on in various departments like aeronautical science, architecture, computer science, management, mechanical science, electrical science, health and applied sciences, science and humanities, liberal arts, design, and agricultural sciences. So there are different areas in each branch. You have to see by taking a screenshot. Like in aeronautical, if you have a specialization in autonomous system, propulsion, airworthiness and safety, space system, UAV and aerodynamics, FEM, aircraft maintenance, drone technology, flight mechanics, artificial intelligence, avionics, satellite technology, control and guidance, fluid system. If you have a specialization in these areas, then you can apply. Likewise, in other also there are various areas where you have to apply. There are also some vacancies for dean and faculty, academic administrator, manager and expert in rubber and mango plantation or horticultural work, manager ERP, facility manager for hostels. So if you have if you want to apply for these all positions, then you can apply for this in this college. Candidate with experience in leading institution and those working for IIT, UPSC, NEET, coaching, etc. will be preferred. You have to submit your resume online within 14 days on this email on this website http hindustanuniversity.ac.in/career.php. So you have to copy this link and either you can go directly Hindustan University and go to the career section. You can get the link there. The next vacancy in Oxford College of Engineering. This college is in Bangalore. For that, they are inviting application for academic and campus director. For that, if you have doctorate with master degree in any engineering discipline with minimum 15 to 20 years of teaching and administrative experience in reputed research and academic institution, then you can apply for this director post. A skill required is visionary academic leader with a strong leadership and motivational qualities, to be a thought leader and a strategic thinker to inspire and motivate the entire team. There is vacancies for principal also. For that, the criteria for regarding qualification is as per set criteria set by AICTE regulation. Principal, they required a skill having a strong credential in academic track record, a distinguished and dynamic academician with high level of competence, integrity, moral and institutional commitment. They are requiring principal for Oxford School of Architecture. Qualification is as per prescribed by COA. Skills must have a passion for academic institutional and student development pursuit, should have proven leadership quality and administrative capability. There are vacancies for professor, HOD, MBA and MCA, professor and HOD in various departments like MBA, MCA, electrical and electronics branch, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So if you have a PhD with good number of experience, then you can apply for this professor and HOD post. They have vacancies for associate professor, assistant professor in various engineering disciplines like mechatronics, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then you can apply for that. The qualification required is as per AICTE norms. They have some vacancies for librarian and some non-teaching staff like internal auditor. For that, CA with some experience required. Chief administrative officer where MBA with 10 years of experience required. They have a requirement for a account assistant. For that, if you have BCom or MCom, you can apply. There's some vacancies for office assistant. If you have BBA or MBA, then you can apply for this assistant post. So they also require some civil engineer or maintenance engineer. So if you want to apply here, then you have to send your recent latest resume with copy of academic credential and accolades along with recent photograph by email to president hr@the oxford.edu within 10 days. Next vacancy is in Dayanand Sagar Institution, Bangalore. They have various colleges in this group: Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management, Dayanand Sagar College of Architecture. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in various departments like architecture, artificial intelligence and machine learning, computer science engineering, information science engineering, aeronautical, civil, electrical electronics, MCA, physics, chemistry and mathematics. Qualification required for is as per AICTE norms. For assistant professor, if you have MTech with a good number of experience, then you can apply. For associate professor and professor, they require PhD with a good number of experience, like if you have 5 year or 10 year, then you can apply for these both posts. Retired professor or associate professor with and person with industrial or R&D experience can also apply if you have age within 65 years of age. PhD is essential. They have also requirement for instructor in above discipline like or computer science engineering, aeronautical or machine learning, physics, chemistry and mathematics. For instructor post, they are requiring diploma in relevant branch of engineering, or if you have BSc with physics, chemistry or computer science as a subject, or BCA, then you can apply. Experience minimum 2 years. And fresher, if you have, then also you can apply with good academic background. Salary as per ICT pay scale or higher scale can be considered for right candidate. So how you have to apply? You have to go directly go to dayanandsagar.edu. In that you have to go to career section, and there you can get the link to apply. Next college is in where vacancy is in PK University Shivpuri. This college is in MP. They have given the seat matrix for all the posts. They have requirement for principal in BAMS, requirement of director in pharmacy and teaching post. They are requirement for engineering, pharmacy, nursing, paramedical, science, arts, commerce, law, management and BAMS. They have given seat matrix like for engineering. They have a requirement of one professor in computer science, civil engineering, mechanical and electrical engineering each. For associate professor also, they have 2 requirement in each branches. Assistant professor 2 vacancies in each branches, and lab assistant in each branch. Likewise, pharmacy also they have some vacancies. Nursing, you can take the screenshot and check out the vacancy. So if you want to apply here, if you are belonging to MP or nearby Shivpuri, then you send your resume on hroffice.pku@gmail.com. Next vacancy here in Muhammad Sathak Engineering College. They have requirement for assistant professor in marine engineering. For that, if you have master degree in marine engineering or relevant subject with at least 55% marks, then you can apply. Or marine engineering officer with class 1 certificate of competency and minimum 6 months sailing experience, then you can apply. Or if you have first class ME degree with PGD MOM postgraduate diploma in maritime operation and management, then also you can apply. Desirable PG in marine engineering or MEO and extra first class engineer certificate. So our next college where the vacancy is in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in robotics, automation, biomedical engineering, electronics communication, computer science, English, mathematics. In that there are various areas. If you have a specialization in that, then you can apply. They have also some requirement for aptitude trainer and administrative staff. So if you want to apply here, so you have to download the application form and send it to office@srec.ac.in. Next vacancy is in Kongu Nadu Engineering College. This college is in Chennai. For that, there is requirement for department of assistant professor in department of biomedical engineering. If you have BSc or MSc in biochemistry with NET qualified, then you can apply. Or if you have PhD, then also you can apply. You have to send your resume on careers@kongunadu.ac.in. Next college where the faculty recruitment is going on in IMS group of institution, Ghaziabad. It is in Delhi NCR region. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in various colleges. They have requirement in engineering, in computer science engineering, information technology and biotechnology. If you have qualification in this branch, then you can apply for waiver post like for professor, associate professor and assistant professor. They have also some requirement for marketing or human resources person or finance or strategic management person. So if you want to apply, then you can apply here. And they have also some requirement for university course campus for management, information technology, bioscience and mass communication. So in these all, if you want to apply for professor, associate professor and assistant professor, then you can apply in that. They have some non-teaching vacancy like head admission, deputy head placement, telecaller for admission, PDP trainer, manager or assistant manager, technical staff for computer lab, administrative officer. If you want to apply, then you can apply. Here it is mentioned that for assistant professor at IMSEC, get percentage more than 65% and BTech and MTech from IIT, NIT and NIRF ranked institution will be preferred and higher salary will be admissible. So if you are get qualified and having more than 65 percentile, then you can apply and you will be preferred there. Next college is in where the faculty recruitment going on is in Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology. This college also have some good vacancies like for ECE they have 8 vacancies for assistant professor, 2 for associate professor and 2 professor vacancy in ECE department. For civil also 15 for assistant professor, 5 for associate professor and 3 for professor. Mechanical 13 requirement for assistant professor, 8 associate professor and 4 professor vacancy. Likewise in every department they have good vacancy. So if you want to apply, then you apply here. Here it is given that PhD and get qualified candidate will be given preference. For category B post. So if you want to apply, then you have to send your resume on jobs@pit.co.in. And some grade B vacancies also like registrar, category B vacancy like for registrar, deputy or assistant registrar, public relation officer, administrative officer, librarian, assistant librarian, likewise various non-teaching vacancies also. So if you want to apply here, then you have to send your resume on jobs-admin@pit.co.in. Qualification and experience requirement as per AICTE norms. Here it is highlighting that they have vacancies also for textile. So if you have engineering in that, then you can apply here. And that's the last vacancy today. uh, so if you have liked the videos, please share it with others friend also who require this, like this Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology has some good vacancy. So you will prefer this college for to apply here, because it's an MBA accredited college. So thanks. And if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. Thank you.